Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on your website on SiteGround. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and install WordPress on one of your websites on SiteGround. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto websites once you're logged onto SiteGround. And we're going to go ahead and find the website which you want to go ahead and install WordPress for. So we're going to click on Finish Site Setup. Afterwards, click on Continue. Once you verified this domain, make sure that it's correct. Click on Continue. Then it's going to go ahead and ask you to set up the site. So we can either start a new website or migrate a website. So we're going to click on Start New Website. Then over here, you're going to click on WordPress. So select WordPress, and then this is where you're going to enter your WordPress login. And so with that, we're going to go ahead and enter the new WordPress login. And then once you create your new WordPress login, we're just going to go ahead and click on Finish. And then once it's finished loading, it's going to take about 2 minutes to complete the website creation and install WordPress on your website. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and install WordPress on your website on SiteGround. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.